Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving ownership. Go to Accounts. Google com/signin/recovery and enter the account identifier you own. Once entered, choose the verification method you still control. SMS to your phone or a recovery email are fastest. If prompted, answer when you created the account or provide a device you've used recently. These details increase success. Make sure to work from a device and location Google recognizes to avoid extra friction. Once you start, follow each verification prompt carefully. Enter any code sent to your phone or recovery email immediately. Codes expire quickly. If you use two-step verification, use backup codes or the hardware key you registered. When asked for account creation details, give your best estimate. Month and year are often enough. Be patient and accurate. Repeating attempts with consistent information raises the chance Google accepts your claim. After verification, set a strong new password and save it in a password manager so you don't lose access again. Next, review devices and recent activity, remove anything unfamiliar and update recovery phone and email. Enable two-step verification to add a second layer of protection. If something goes wrong, use the account recovery form again and provide consistent answers. If repeated attempts fail, wait 24-48 hours before trying to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.